Okay, today we've got a World Rally. Nice condition, except here was a load of scratches. Obviously bad storage, some board on top, a board legs scratched that, so replaced one line and it's the slightly older version, because there's a version where Toyota's censored and here is extra lights, so this is an earlier version. Sound? Yeah, no sound on this demo loops. So, yeah, nice game. Absolute classic. And very unusual to see the original battery still working as well, which is nice. There we go. Excellent.